Hey guys, it's Alicia with WTI. If you're looking for a unique flavor, then I want to show you these After Eight mints. These are a chocolate orange mint and they are absolutely delicious. So these are chocolate covered mints, kind of like a mint patty. They have a nice soft filling to them. And typically I am kind of a purist with chocolate and mint and don't usually like other flavors added to it, but this orange is so subtle that it just really enhances, it doesn't overpower, and the two flavors go really well together. I love that they are so soft and so creamy, and the chocolate really just melts in your mouth. The other nice thing about these is the way that they are packaged. They come in little individually wrapped sleeves and nice and lined up in the box, so they don't get crushed, they don't melt together, and you don't have a big sticky mess. You can simply take out one of the little sleeves and enjoy your mint mess free. So I would recommend these mints, and that's my point of view.